Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will try to make a portal. Let's see it works or not. First of all, I have prepared two coil. This is right-handed and this is left-handed. This is the two axis, means X and Y is covered by this and Z axis is covered by this magnet. You can see it here. And the total system is at the center. I have placed a gold ring at the center to see what happens. The two connection is connected with high voltage power supply. Audio jack is connected with Bluetooth system and the power unit is connected. So now I will connect this system with Bluetooth unit and give a particular frequency and see what happens. So friend, first I will test it that it is working or not, then I will put the audio frequency with high voltage. Let's see. Yes, high voltage is applied, you can see it here. So now I will put the audio frequency. So friend, now I am powering it on and playing the frequency. Let's change the frequency. No, it is not working. I will set the spark gap and I will try it again. So I have changed the spark gap and I will play the frequency again. Wow, the portal worked. I can't believe it. How can it be possible? But it was my gold ring. I have to return it back. I don't know at which frequency it will come back. Let's try again. Wow, it again came back at different frequency. So friend, you can see it here, the portal actually worked. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations to get more video like this type of videos. Thank you, and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.